Hi, I'm Tom from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be doing you a full walkthrough video on this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the brilliant Toyota CHR 1.8. It does come to us 59,099 miles on the clock, and it is a petrol hybrid. If you are interested in this vehicle at any point during this video, please give us a call on 01204 786 586. It has had a multi-point check code by ourselves here at Motor Match Bolton. There's more details regarding that on our website. Here you can see you do have your stunning 18-inch alloy wheels that really complement the exterior very nicely. You do also have your LED daytime running lights as well as your front and rear parking sensors. This does allow you to get in and out of those tight narrow spaces when bumping your lovely new car. It does also come with a reversing camera, which I'll show you that display later on in the video. Here you can see you do have a very spacious boot, enough space for multiple suitcases and all your weekly shopping. The rear seats do come with a half leather, half cloth upholstery finish that's extremely comfortable. Taking a look into the front now, here you do have your full leather multifunction steering wheel as well as your half cloth, half leather upholstery finished front seats. Now these are extremely comfortable and you can set that perfect drive position with your lumbar supports just below. Taking a look at your media display now, this vehicle does come with a DAB radio as well as FM and AM, so you always have a wide range of different radio stations to choose from. You can also play your favourite songs via the AUX and Bluetooth connection. As you can see, there's plenty of different options that you can have a play around with. You can also connect your mobile device via the Bluetooth option, allowing you to take hands-free phone calls a lot easier and a lot safer. This Toyota does also come with satellite navigation, allowing you to get to those unknown destinations as quickly and safely as possible. And you can keep up to date with all the information you might need when on the go. Here you do have your reversing camera, allowing you to always be aware of your full surroundings. Here you do have access to all the vital information you might need when on the go. It's extremely easy to navigate around and you can set this display to your own personal preference. This vehicle does also come with dual climate controls. This does allow the driver and the passenger to set a different temperature to one another, allowing for maximum comfort. You also have your heated seats for those cold British winter mornings.
Our RAC extended warranty is available. For more information or go for a test drive, please give us a call on 01204 786 586 or inquire online now. Thank you for watching.